defending. Matt, mark a player. Snowstorm, spread out. Look, you're all next to each other.
Get out of there. Good work, Gray, go for it. Go, Gray, go.
Yeah.
Watch offside, though. Move up. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Stay right there, Mark. Get out of there.
Oh,
Nice.
man.
Oh, Mom, don't do that. It's like this.
Oh, it's slippy.
It is slippy.
Gray, Gray, good work with the fakes.
Has to go outside the penalty area line, okay? Tillman, take it. Keep your feet down. Good, good. Mark, towards the goal. Watch out. There you go.
Good work, Gray.
Come on, you guys. Towards the goal.
That's all right.
Mark.
So, Hamish.
Hamish is in. Mark B, come here. You're out. You're. Oh no, Mark D, you're still in. Over there. You're forward. Okay, come here. Mark B out. You're on that side as a forward, Hamish. Mark, what's your number? Turn around. 11.
Hamish, back.
No, he's.
No, other way.
Good. You got like 4 of them.
Remember, Hamish, leave your hair alone, okay? You'll do just fine.
We want you down here, not offside, but we want you down here so that when the ball starts coming this way, you can score. And but if the ball's, you know, if the ball's that way.
Forward, Hamish. Get forward. Go, Gray.
Okay?
Go.
Gray and Evan,
Hamish, forward.
Send you back in. You'll be back in the second half. Let me make sure what's said.
Let's go.
Go, Gray. Don't stop.
Wait.
So offsides, basically, Hamish needs to stay forward of the last defender.
Yeah.
Right.
And until he's not, you know.
Until he actually touches the ball.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a problem unless he follow it, until he actually touches it.
Yeah. That was one of the things last week.
Good, nice, Evan.
Work, Evan.
Good. Stop that. Okay, quickly, Hamish, move down the line.
Hey. Come on.
Just do it. There you go. Follow it in.
All right, green.
Huh?
No, it's off. It was off green.
All right.
Okay, just throw it towards the goal. Get over everyone. Go. Keep your feet down. Good. Follow it in, Gray. Follow it. Follow it all the way in.
Go, Mark. Go.
Go. Follow it in, you guys. Get some shots.
They're really.
Look at that lumping.
They're definitely.
Stay back, Nathan. Nathan, back towards the goal. You got to block it. Nathan's not playing well, or Riley's not playing as well as he did last
No,
week.
I'm really surprised.
Huh?
He's getting tired because he's running around a lot. Yeah.
Nice, Elliot. Somebody's following.
Where's Hamish? Where is he?
Get it out. Nice. Good, Matthew.
Get it there. Hamish, keep forward.
Hamish, you're forward. Stay up. Hamish, move over towards that ref. Okay, stay there.
You've got it, Gray.
The goal.
Great. Come back, man.
Oh. Good work.
Okay, that's as far towards us as I want you to be, Hamish.
Remember, use your sprint, okay? You're really fast.
Okay?
But you're doing a great job. What?
Hamish, go back that way. We want you to be able to score. Okay.
Down the middle.
Let the ball come to you, Hamish.
Hamish!
Perfect.
Oh, that's frustrating.
Well, it's all right.
Does he know what that position was
Yeah.
supposed to be?
He's in position right now.
Yeah, he is.
I thought he was supposed to stay back by the goal.
No, that's a forward position. So he needs to when the ball's starting to come forward, he needs to start pushing forward, which
Like
is
he just
Go, get
did.
ready, Hamish!
Like you just did. Go towards the goal. Come, get up there, Gray. Hamish, everyone, follow it. Stay on it, Matthew. It's yours. Nice, Tillman. Get in there.
Excellent.
Good. Move away from.
Get up, Hamish.
There you go. Move towards the goal, Hamish, not the ball. Good, good.
Move back, Hamish.
Remember, stay back, Nathan. You're the last defender. Ooh, who did it? Hamish?
I don't know.
You couldn't tell. You got a clock on you?
Yeah, wasn't really watching.
Let's go, man. Nice, man.
Follow it, follow it.
Go. Great.
You're doing great. You almost got me, Evan.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Where is it?
Right about there, yeah.
Cover a player, you guys. You're all bunched. Don't cover the same player. Go, go. Turn it. Turn it. Nice. Big kick. Stay on it. Nice, Evan. Elliot, challenge him. Challenge it. Go, Nathan.
Oh!
He's good. No. There you go.
Hamish, get up.
Goal.
Hamish, get up. Get up. Oh.
Nice try. Good. Good.
Right there, great. Coming down the line again.
Oh.
Wait. That's it.
Nice drag.
All right, Green.
Watch the ball.
Oh, man.
Somebody charge him. Nathan, take it. Turn it out. Out.
Oh, Evan.
Follow it.
I mean,
Follow it, Elliot. Follow it. Go, Tillman.
Go.
Go. All right. Nice hustle.
I think it's too early in the morning for Riley.
Good play.
Good. Did we have snack today? Did somebody bring a snack?
Then he looked at me like,
Go, Tillman. Nice. Follow it, you guys. Follow it.
Oh, great
Good,
work.
thank you. It's right to you. Sorry, Andrew.
Take it forward, Hamish.
Go. Nice. Get up there, you guys.
Get up fast.
Ready,
Come on.
Matthew.
Hustle.
The ball. Go.
Remember the running. Forward.
oh!